Hi guys, another parcel turned up that I ordered. It turned up a couple of days ago now. It's this one here. It's by LTC lock. Cost me about $16, $16. Can't remember exactly now. Including shipping to get this one. So as you can see, it's a cutaway. It's 7-pin dimple lock. 2 keys for it that are cut differently. So the only downside I find to this is that it doesn't have markings. You can see it's a Chinese lock to say which side which key goes in, so it takes a little bit to, oh look at that, first shot, because they are pinned up differently, so key will work on one side not the other. So turn this around, so, and as you can see it does get a bit sticky. Takes a little bit to get it to turn, but the craftsmanship on it with cutting it, the cutaway, make it out, it's a little bit on the rough side. It is pretty. The reason why it gets stuck is in here where the pins are, does catch on the rough cuts where it's been cut out, so that's why it does get a bit stuck. Come on, there we go. So, but for a training lock, practicing, seeing what you're doing, it's not too bad. One of the ball bearings that are up the top here that holds all the stuff in did come out, so I had to put that one back in. But let's see if we can pick it. So I'm going to go the slightly more difficult side, the low and high, which was, I believe, this side. One that gets stuck. There we go. Yep. You can see it does get really quite tight in there. I did spray some WD-40 in it, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but it's what I had laying around, and it's the way us Aussies do it. If it's meant to move but it doesn't, use WD-40. If it moves but it's not meant to, use duct tape, as they say. So I'm going to grab my dimple picks. Which are the Goso picks that I did a review on. It'll take a little bit of work to get them into usable condition, but so I'm going to use the flat flag. Zoom in. So that's the flat flag, the one that you got to sand down the end to turn into a flat flag. But since the pins are on the right here, I've got the tension wrench on the left side, and then I'm going to pick from the right side across. But so that you can see which pins are moving, try and get this zoom in there so you can see which pins I'm moving. They're all standard pins, as you can see. So you can see I put the pick in all the way to the back. You can see the pick down the bottom where it's sitting. So then I put light tension, feel for a binder. Got to click out a pin 4. See, that's pin 3 there. 2. 1. So keep feeling around. Up on 6 again. 5. Click out a 4, you could hear. Just work my way through. Back on 2, got to click out of. Now I'm stuck on pin 1. Seems to be the speed hump. So I can't quite get my pick out. So it tells me that pin 1, one that was stuck. So there we go, got an open. Quickly turn it around. Zoom out again, turn it around, do the other side. So pop this in the vise. Make sure that it is the other way around. It's the other key. Yep. So this is the bitting for this one. Zoom back in so you can see what's going on. So again, tension wrench down, light tension, pick from the right hand side, all the way to the back, feel for a binder. Got to click out of 5 then. Come on, who wants to bind next? Oh, just dropped it all. Let go of the tension wrench. Alright. So I've got pin 6 up. Now just turn on the call then, which tells me that one of these up the front here is binding, which feels like pin 1. There we go. Got an open. So that's my review and picking of the LTC Cutaway 7-pin dimple lock. So, alright, cheers guys.